Hello guys, Indian Coinage channel contains videos that makes you interesting in listening out the rare informations of coins and currencies. Keep support our channel. Do like, share and subscribe. Press the bell button for future notification. Watch out the full content. No further delay. Just get into the video. Today we discuss about 5 rupee civil aviation coin rare information. This 5 rupee model was released in the year 2011. Weight is 6 grams and metal composition is nickel brass. Brass is mixing up to the metal, so only it looks like golden color. 5 rupee coin was released as gentle circulation, UNC and proof set coins, but 100 rupee coin was released in proof set and UNC set only. If you need more information about proof set and UNC set means just ask me in comment. I make one video in future. Each and every coin and of course stamps and currency having its own history. This coin also contains huge history. The history of civil aviation in India began on 18th February 1911. The first commercial civil aviation flight took place in India between Allahabad and Naini, a distance of 6 miles. When the flight was undertaken by Monsignor Henry Pickwatt, carried 6,500 letters and postcards. This is considered to be the world's first air mail service and the beginning of civil aviation in India. The first passenger flight in India began in 1912. This was with the opening of the first domestic air route between Karachi and Delhi. In 2011, it reached 100 years centenary. The remembrance of historical information was carried on that coin. Every Indian knows this kind of historical and memorial information, so only our Indian Coinage channel delivered this information. The earth of the coin is red earth. Generally, coins of India are printed in 4 different places. Mumbai Mint denotes diamond mint, Hyderabad Mint denotes star mint, Calcutta Mint denotes no mint mark, Noida Mint denotes dot mark. 5 rupee civil aviation coin also printed in that 4 different places. Normally, the following categories of coins have high demand. It attracts more number of buyers day by day searching those kind of coins. Error coin, experimental coin, OMS coin, mule coin, rare air and mint, complete air set, UNC and proof set coin, diverity. The first 7 one is rare or rare set mix. So normal collector did not get those kind of sets, but the last one is diverity. The important thing in diverity have same denomination, same year and same mint, but upside or reverse side is differ. These sets are easily collectible, but this kind of information only few people know. I give some example about this type. This 10 piece model was released in the year 1968. In 13th June 2011, our Indian government withdrawn 25 pice and below denomination, so this model also withdrawn. After that, many coins collector searching this kind of coins through online and offline. In offline means goes to any antique shops or coin exhibition, but both of the places this coin sells at 5 to 50 rupees, depends on condition and regarding its mints. But if you get to collect this coin in diverity method, you can easily achieve more than 1000 rupees. Then you ask one question to me, how is it possible? Do you have any proof? Yes, I have. But I already explained about diverity. In this image, 2 coins were both printed in 1968 and having diamond mint mark under the ear. But the upside or front side of the both coin contain Ashoka emblem, has some tendes. I put arrow mark on the particular tendes. One of the major changes seems in Ashoka emblem of both the coin. First Ashoka emblem is bigger in size as compared to second. Look at the right gap are so much reduced between emblem and the words, and the words of India in English and Bharat in Hindi. This kind of coins were sold few years before at famous auction websites like Bombay Auction. The proof is there. Estimated price of the coin is 4,000 rupees to 4,500 rupees and the product was sold out. Item sold is mentioned there. This 5 rupee coin also contains 2 diverity. One is left and another one is right. Both Ashoka emblem has some changes like first Ashoka emblem seems shorter, new rupee symbol and denomination 5 is looking bigger. India in both English and Hindi seems to be thin. Another one image of these two Diverity coins. Diverity was printed in Kolkata only and having its own mint mark. You easily get this set. Also it is circulation coin, so collect 1 or 2 set of this model and don't sell this coin now because circulation coin buy or sell is offense in India. Thanks and meet you on next video.